Welcome girls. Today we are going to learn English Unit 3 Lesson number 3 Toto the Hen. This is a story of a hen and the name of the hen is Toto. Now let's see what is written over here. Number 1 says look, listen and read loud. I'll explain you the story. I'll read it for you once and you are going to practice the same at home. Reading practice is very important. So this is a story of a boy and a hen. We already know the name of the hen. It is Toto. Now let's see what's the name of a boy. Rahish had a pet. The name of the boy is Rahish and he had a pet. She was a black hen. Her name was Toto. We have already seen that the hen name is Toto, but the appearance, the color of the hen is black. Now we all have pet in the house, mostly dog or a cat. Okay, some of them keep parrots. It's in the house or in the farm. Okay, same way, Rahish also had a pet and it was a hen. Rahish loved his pet very much. He used to take proper care of his pet. Now, Toto lived in a coop. Now, the place where Toto lives is called a coop, means a place where a hen lives. The way lion lives in a den, birds live in nest. We live in a sweet home. Same way, the place where hen lives is called a coop. Further, we see what is written over here. Toto was a very smart hen. Means Toto was well trained by Rahish. So Toto was very smart. She used to understand each and everything very well. Rahish used to give food to her every day and play with her. Rahish used to take proper care of her. You can see in the picture. Every day he used to give her food. Not only that, but he used to spend some time with the pet and play with her. They became good friends. So both of them were good friends. Usually it so happens that when we have a pet in the house, the pet is like a other member of a family. Okay? And they are very good friends with us. We gel very nice with them. The same way Rahish and Toto were also very good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound. Now, here what it says, when Toto used to lay an egg, so she used to make a very special sound. And how was that sound? Yes, we are going to learn in the further chapters the sounds of the animal also. So the way the hen makes the sound is. So after hearing that special sound, then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg from him. Means after hearing the special sound, Rahish used to understand that Toto has laid an egg. So he used to come out of the house, give her something to eat, and then he used to take the egg for him. One night Rahish was sleeping in the bed. Now it so happened that usually after feeding her, after playing with her, at night Rahish used to go and sleep in his room and Toto used to be in the coop. So one night something happened. He heard the special sound of Toto. Rahish came out from the house. Now it was a night time and he heard that Toto was making a sound and he was surprised that why at this hour Toto is making the sound. So he came out of the house. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. The moment Toto saw Rahish, she came running to him and started with the beak picking him, okay, to his leg. Now Rahish understood that something has went wrong and he started looking here and there. Rahesh looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Now he understood that usually Toto do not make sound like this, and Toto was continuously making the sound "Kok, kok, kok." So he understood that something has happened and something is wrong. So he started looking everywhere around, and he felt something is burning. He felt the smell of the burning. Now let us see on the next page. The moment he was looking here and there around, he saw, "Oh my God, the coop is on fire!" He shouted. The coop was in a mess, and the moment he started looking around, he saw the coop, the house of the hen, was in fire. And he shouted because he saw that the coop has totally turned into a mess, means it totally destroyed. Rahesh ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Immediately, without wasting time, Rahesh used his smartness. He ran near the tap, he switched on the tap, and with the help of the pipe, then he showered the water and put out the fire. What he did? Immediately he sprinkled water, okay, with the help of the pipe on the fire, and he put off the fire. Means this shows that the moment the coop started burning, the hen, the Toto, was in danger. The Toto used her smartness and ran out of the coop and started shouting for help. And her own best friend Rahesh came for her help. Then Rahesh bent and picked up Toto. After putting off the fire, Rahesh, what he did? Toto was already little bit afraid. What he did? He bent down and took Toto in his own arms. And he said, "You smart hen, my dear friend. You saved my farm," said Rahesh. Now because of Toto, Rahesh's farm was saved. So he was very, very happy. He said, "What? You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm." Rahesh was very happy, and when Rahesh praised Toto, Toto also was very happy. Toto showed her smartness that when the coop started burning, she made the sound, she made Rahesh alert that something is going wrong, and because of it, the full farm was saved. Now, after Rahesh praised Toto, Toto happily replied to Rahesh, "Kup, kup, kup." Now, in her own sweet sound, she replied that she is also very happy. So, girls, from this lesson we learn that whenever someone is in need or in help, and if we can do that, we should always help others. Now, pet animals also help us. Don't think that pet animals don't help us. You know, this hen helped Rahesh to save his farm. Same way the dogs helps the police to catch the robbers. So these pet animals also help us in many ways. You are going to read this lesson, okay, every day. And you are going to learn the spellings which are given over here in exercise 3. Look and say. Pet, lived, smart, egg, hen, everyday, fed, bed, went, shout, burning, fire, coop, pipe, tap, farm. When you learn these words, when you read the story every day, then only your vocabulary becomes proper, okay, and then only you will be able to be good in your reading. So girls, even though you are at home, you are going to make it a point that you are going to read this lesson every day. Okay. Now, tell the story in your own words. Now, here it is written in your own words, but I will suggest you your own words. You can tell the same story in your own comfortable language also to your parents. Question number 5 says, read the story and complete the sentence. This you are going to do it on your own. These sentences are from the test book only. You are going to search where it is in that lines and you are going to complete the sentence. Toto was a dash hen. So Toto was a smart hen. Okay, I'm giving you the first answer. Now B, C, D you're going to search. So before we move ahead, let us read the story once again. Lesson number 3, Toto the hen. Rahish had a pet. She was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Rahish used to give her food to her every day and played with her. They became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound. Then Rahish came out and fed Toto and took the egg for him. One night, Rahish was sleeping in his bed. He heard the special sound of Toto. Rahish came out from the house. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. Rahish looked around to see what happened. He smelled something burning. Oh my God! The coop is on fire! He shouted. The coop was in a mess. Rahish ran to the tap of water and took the pipe. Then he showered the water and put off the fire. Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend, you have saved my farm, said Rahish. Toto happily replied to Rahish, now girls, the same way you are going to read the story, okay, practice every day and you are going to write also the given question and answers.
You are going to write this in your new English notebook, that is for the second term, which you are going to make. Use the old one as rough book. Thank you.